Right now, there's a huge wave of hate online aimed at Sneako.
Like, I mean, online also people say that you're grifting.
They do, yeah.
Bro, get off this act about this Islam, bro. Like, you're not on that thing like that.
And even if the people that are calling me a Muslim grifter, even if I am grifting.
A clip online going viral, and we think it's just another fake Muslim getting cooked in the comments. He's grifting. He's doing it for clout.
You're just a guy pretending to be Muslim. I think you'll do whatever is best for you. Whatever can get you the best deal on Rumble. Think that it'll be easier to get a specific audience. You're easier to relate.
What if I told you the way we react to someone who just accepted Islam might be something Allah asks us about one day? People say he's eating pork willingly and fake fasting in Ramadan.
Astaghfirullah! I forgot! Well, might as well keep drinking it. No! Wallahi, I made a mistake. Wallahi, I made a mistake. Wallahi, I made a mistake. Fake Muslim. Oh my God, here it comes.
And that he only became Muslim because Andrew Tate did.
Why'd you decide to do that? Was it because Andrew Tate was saying he was a Muslim?
No, it's like that.
I'm trolling you.
I know.
I'm trolling you.
I've always resonated with the most, reading Malcolm X's autobiography.
Yeah.
Thousands of posts. The hate is everywhere.
Let me take a bite of a pork. Fake Muslim! Fake Muslim!
But pause for a second, because something strange is happening here. A man accepts Islam, and the first reaction from many people online is not support. It's interrogation, public humiliation, and not guidance, not patience. Brother Sneako is still new to the religion. You cannot expect someone who just accepted Islam to suddenly move like a scholar from day one. Islam isn't downloaded like an app. It's learned step by step, mistake by mistake. Yet, the internet treats every mistake like proof he's a fraud, and that's where the hidden danger starts. Because what if Shaitan isn't only attacking Sneako? What if he's attacking us through him? Think about it. A new Muslim enters Islam, millions of eyes watching him. Every slip gets clipped, every mistake becomes a meme. But here's the part people ignore. Sneako turned down a gambling deal worth millions because of Islam.
I lost a lot of money. I lost a lot, and I refused to take the gambling deal.
Yeah, you got offered a big deal.
Even last month, I got offered $6 million. Wallahi, $6 million for 3 months of gambling on Party. I stream on Party, not even a mainstream website. And I say no to it. I rejected the $20 million gambling deal. I'm only talking
millions gone just like that. He has debated people publicly defending Islam. He asks genuine questions. He spends time learning with the Dawah brothers. He himself said the biggest change in his life was Islam.
What do you think you changed your mind on the most?
becoming Muslim's the biggest one. That's definitely the biggest change.
Why'd you decide to do that?
I've always resonated with the most, reading Malcolm X's autobiography.
Yeah.
Does that sound like someone who doesn't care or someone trying to figure it out? He had mistakes. Yes, his past includes mocking Islam, but Allah already addressed people like that in the Qur'an. In Surah Ad-Duha, did he not find you unguided, then guide you? Think about that. Guidance is a journey. Every single Muslim was guided from somewhere. No one started perfect, and Allah promises something powerful. He forgives every sin if the repentance is sincere. Every sin, no exceptions.
I'm in Medina for Ramadan right now. You want me to loan you gambling money?
Yeah, can you?
Assalamu alaikum, Aiden. Soon you'll be here. No more gambling. This is better than gambling.
When a new Muslim sees thousands of people attacking him online, what message does that send? You're not welcome. You'll never be good enough. Your past defines you. And suddenly, the place they feel least welcome is the Muslim community itself. That's the trap. Not for him, for us. So let me ask you honestly, do you think Sneako is a fake Muslim? Or are we just witnessing a man learning Islam in real time while the entire internet watches his every mistake?